Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for baked cod with a Ritz cracker topping. This is a New England favorite and it's really easy. You can put it together in about 20 minutes. You won't believe how easy it is, so stick around. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the star ingredient of the dish, Ritz crackers. This is a really buttery flavored cracker that goes really well with the cod we're going to do. I have 14 of them here in one of the small packs that they make. What you want to do, you want to just crush these up gently with your hands. You can take them out of the packaging if you like and put them in a freezer bag, but I actually like to just kind of break them up here with your hands. And you don't want to get them too fine. You don't want to turn them into a powder, but you just want to turn them into some very large crumbs. And that's a perfect consistency. That's how you want it to look once you've crushed them up. And next, what you want to do over low heat, you want to just melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm doing 2 pieces of cod. It's about a quarter pound each. So this is going to be a perfect amount for the 2 pieces. You can obviously double or triple the recipe if you want to make this for a crowd. And now our 2 tablespoons of butter are melted. We can add in the crushed Ritz crackers. I'm going to go in with a handful of chopped Italian parsley. A little bit of black pepper, and some salt. And I'm going to just turn this off the heat and just give it a gentle stir to incorporate everything. So next we're going to prep the fish, but while we do that I'm going to preheat a pan. Now you can certainly use a sheet pan. I have an oven safe skillet, so that's what I'm going to use, but whatever you have works. I'm going to go in with just a very small amount of butter. You just need that to prevent any sticking on the bottom of the pan or the sheet pan. And while we melt that butter over a low heat, I'm going to just prep the fish. I have 2 pieces of Norwegian cod. This is wild caught, best quality you can get at a store. Now's not the time to go cheap, and we're going to just season it very simply with some crushed black pepper and some sea salt. So I'll flip it over and we'll hit the other side. Okay, so our butter is melted over a low heat. I'm going to just turn the heat off and just kind of move that around a bit to evenly coat. And we can lay in the cod. And once you've laid your cod in, we can just kind of spoon over the cracker crumb mixture that we have. And here's how your cod will look once you have covered it with the Ritz cracker and butter mixture. I have an oven that I've preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take this whole skillet and pop it into the oven. We just need to let it cook for about 18 to 20 minutes and this is going to be ready. And that's how it looks after about 18 minutes in the 375 degree oven. This is ready to serve up. All right, so here is the dish plated up. Baked cod with the Ritz cracker topping. I'm going to just go in with a little bit of lemon. And let's give that a bite. That is so good. The Ritz crackers have a buttery flavor, buttery consistency. We've added some extra butter on top of that with the fresh herbs, a little bit of salt and pepper. Everything is balanced perfectly. This dish is so easy and it's so elegant. Your friends and family are going to love it. Be sure you give it a try. I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.